been through, passing wisdom through generations, more like in form of entertainment. So let me share one with you guys. One day, many years ago, there is this. The title of the story is Why the Tortoise Back is Cracked. According to the story, before what happened in the story, the back of the tortoise used to be smooth, but after what happened, it became cracked. This is what happened. Many years ago, there was a feast in the sky, and this feast in the sky, the animals should be from Earth. The animals going for this feast, they sent an invitation to Earth for animals to go. So the animals that walk on land cannot go. All the animals that live in the sea, in the waters, cannot go because they don't they they are they cannot fly. It's only the birds that have the ability to fly. So for you to go to this party in the sky, you need to fly. So every other animal gave up because they didn't know they couldn't fly. So it was only the tortoise. The tortoise had to beg for every bird to donate a feather for him so that he will be able to fly to the meeting in the sky. So the birds agreed and they donated the wings. They donated wings for feather. So he had wings to fly. They guided him. He flew right to the sky. Now all of them have arrived in the meeting. So before the party was going on, everyone was enjoying the party. It's time to share food and drinks. So the host of the party came and told the people from Earth, the birds, that you will need to choose a nickname. Yes, you will need to choose a nickname so that when we bring the food, we will serve the food using the nicknames. And then everyone was choosing their nicknames. So the tortoise chose to bear all of us as the nickname. All of us. All of us, no, all of you as the nickname. All of you as the nickname. So the host brought the food. The servers brought the food and the drinks. They brought first batch of the food. They said, this food is for all of you. Thought is bearing the all of you. Took the first round. He ate it. The bears didn't talk. They brought drinks. This food, these drinks is for all of you. The tortoise bearing the all of you took the drinks, drank all of them, all by himself. And the birds got angry because they donated feathers for him to be able to come to the meeting, and he's cheating them already. They got angry. Every bird took their feather back from the tortoise. Now, the tortoise doesn't have any feather. He's stranded in the sky. So when the party was over, the birds wanted to return to Earth. They started flying away. So the tortoise is stranded in the sky. He can't fly because they've retrieved their feathers. So when the hawk, big hawk, wanted to fly back, the tortoise told him, when you get to Earth, I'm in this position in the sky. Tell my wife to prepare a very soft space for me to land because I want to fall from the sky. They should put a foam, very soft one, so that when I land, I will bounce and then nothing will happen. Because then there was no parachute. So when the hawk got to Earth, being